Welcome. My name is Christina, and I invite you to use this time as a sacred pause for your body, mind, and soul. Here, you are safe to slow down, soften, heal, and reconnect with yourself. So take a deep breath, relax your body, and allow yourself to gently settle into this experience. This is a 5-minute morning meditation just for you. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to relax fully. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Again, breathing in calm and breathing out tension. Good. As you begin your morning, imagine yourself standing outside in the soft early morning light. The air is cool and fresh. Feel the gentle sunshine warming your face. Notice how the warmth feels comforting, safe, and calming for your nervous system. Imagine listening to the birds around you. Allow their gentle sounds to bring a sense of peace and stillness to your mind and body. Let your nervous system soften as you settle into this calm moment. And with every breath, allow your shoulders to relax. Relax your jaw. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Allow the morning light to energize your body gently and naturally. Imagine breathing in calmness, clarity, and fresh energy for the day ahead. Repeat softly to yourself, I allow myself to start this day calmly. I welcome peace into my mind and body. I'm grounded, safe, and supported. Today is going to be a great day. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you are ready, gently wiggle your toes and fingers. Open your eyes and carry this calm energy with you throughout your day. Thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day.